Okay, hello and welcome to what is the fourth video that I have recorded today. My voice is a little strained, but we'll get through it. It's my last one. This is unboxing for Junho's 2023 Season's Greetings. Other videos that I've done today are 17's Season's Greetings, Minjun from 2 p.m., and also 17's In the Soup book, photo book. So if you're interested in any of those, the videos are also here uploaded on my channel, or will be. But Junho's Season's Greetings is the last thing. So, and I know there's a big light reflection here, but that'll go away as soon as I take it out. Bonus card, bonus like Polaroid style picture of Junho. So there's that. Set that off to the side. And because I already did Minjun's, I know that this is a type of packaging that it's kind of like a sleeve, so I should be able to just pull the box out. And if I can leave the plastic, I will, because there's this hole here. So let's see if we can do this without destroying it too badly. Okay, box there. Take everything out. So I already like this so much better than Minjun's. Minjun's, the coloring is it's like a brown color, and brown is just, I mean, brown's a fine color, but it's just not, it's not a good color for him. The styling didn't look good, so it was, I mean, I have to be honest, I was very disappointed because I love him so much. And he looks beautiful, of course, because he is. But I did not like the styling or the design of the package. Pretty much anything in it. So, but Junho's is blue. A little bit biased because blue is my favorite color, but also because blue is just a much better color to make things cheery and bright and aesthetically pleasing. Brown is just not. Okay, anyhow, let's get to it. Pen. Minjun's came with a pen also. His said Junkei. This one says Lee Junho. So, okay. Set that up there out of the way. Kind of go through things. I'm going to set this aside. We're not going to worry about this because this is the QR code that you scan to get the behind the scenes video. So this is not important. We don't need to open that. I guess we can start with this. Magnets, sheet of magnets. So, Junho is just so beautiful. Oh my God. These are going to go to work with me and adorn the refrigerator in my office, along with Minjun's, even though they're brown. And I have magnets from Astro's Season's Greetings. So those are going with me also. So, but magnets, look how nice they are. Oh, love it. Love it. Love it. We'll come back to those and this. Let's see. This is a 4-cut. There were 2 in Minjun, so I'm assuming there will be 2 in here also. Okay. So there's 2 4-cuts. They just say Season's Greetings on the back. Oh my God, I can't even make the... There. Okay. All right, forecut. Postcards. He looks, I mean, he is literally just standing on, I don't know, an overhang, and he looks beautiful and perfect because he is. They tend to style him a lot in, or he tends to style himself. He has a stylist in neutral colors too. So I'm really glad that he's not in this. Last year's he was in a lot of neutral colors, and I didn't like it. So, but oh, Junho, look how beautiful you are. Oh. Oh God, I just can't. I can't. Oh my God, he's so beautiful. Junho, I love you so much. I don't even care that this is on video and available for the world to see. I love you so much, Lee Junho. Oh, I'm gonna go when I'm done with this video, do a Google and learn how to become an apple, so that can be me. Okay. Okay, that's it for the postcards. That probably should have been embarrassing based on some of the things that I said, but I don't even care because I love him that much. And it's Junho, and I promise you I am not the only one who feels this way. Promise you. Let's see. Let's do this is deco stickers and photos. These are kind of based on what we're in June K's set. Like to decorate your diary with, and they were kind of interesting. So curious to see what Junho's are going to look like. Okay. So stickers. His handwriting is also atrocious. But that's Junho. Spring, summer, fall, winter. Yeah, they're cute. They're cute. We'll go back to them. Here. This is what was interesting in Minjun's set, because there was a lot of just like random things that like I understand them. I understand their existence. I don't understand them in a K-pop season's greeting set. But whatever. Junho is perfect. Junho is perfect. Yeah, okay. So back up to where I was Googling how to be an apple. Still happening here. But this is, if I didn't know that that was, like if I just got this, all right, this is a better example. Like a random sticker of a chessboard. Like it's fine, but like what am I going to do with this? If I were an avid chess player, I might think this was cool. But there's just, anyhow, there's just some random things in here that, like if you buy random scrapbooking stickers and stuff, flake stickers, you get stuff like this. But like it just doesn't make sense to me that it's in a K-pop season's greetings. But anyhow, all right, tennis racket. But look, there's Junho's beautiful hand, so I'm not mad at this one. because his hand is one of his best features. His hands are just gorgeous. There he is, looking kind of small. Oh. Yeah, okay. Like table with stuff on it. I don't know. I'm not complaining. I'm just curious. There's a little portico that he was on earlier in the postcards. Here is like a living room chair. I have no idea what I would do with this sticker. Like, I have no idea what I'm going to do with this. But you know what? I know what I'll do with this one. I will keep it and cherish it the rest of my life because look how beautiful he is. All right. Still very strange. I'm just, yeah. All right. And then these little square photos. I like these square photos. They actually, they've released some of these for like their FanCon meetings and stuff. And I like them. They're a little kind of a pain to store, like put into binders, but just because they are a weird shape, but they're fine. All right. Junho. Oh, Junho. Oh my goodness. I mean, he's just so beautiful. He is such a beautiful human being. Oh my God. All right. We'll keep going. Like, I'm actually speechless. Like, I'm just actually speechless because he's so beautiful. I'm going to out my sister who's like not even into K-pop, but I torment her with pictures of him. And she said to me, like, she's like, I actually get angry when I see him because how perfect he is. And I was like, I know. Why do you think I love him so much? Like, he's just beautiful. I can't believe there was ever a time that he was not like just the main attraction. Not that any of the other guys in 2PM don't deserve it. I don't mean to imply that at all. But for a lot of time, Junho was not like, he had to fight for camera time. You know, like not fight, but like he got like the least amount of camera time of anyone. He was not considered one of the attractive members, you know, blah, 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 blah. And look at him now, like on top of the fucking world. And I love it. I hope everybody who ever felt any kind of way about him is eating crow right now because Junho deserves the world and I'm glad he's getting it. All right, let's open the diary before I get carried away complaining about people who didn't like Junho back in the day or who still don't like him. Whatever. They're wrong. He's perfect. Okay. Gray and navy blue. Very nice. Junho. We saw when I did Minjun's that this is one of the types of diaries that has pictures kind of dispersed throughout. Oh my God. Look how beautiful he is. I just can't. Junho, I wish I could tell you how much I love you. Like, if I ever get a fan call, that's all I'm going to say. I'm just going to sit there for the whole 60 seconds and be like, I love you. Don't say anything else. Just let me tell you how much I love you. There he is. Look. Okay. Month. Junho's birthday. Woohoo! January 25th, which is next week. Today's January 19th. Junho's birthday is coming up. Okay, so the monthly and then the weekly. Oh, I kind of like this one's a little bit different than Minjun's. I think At least I didn't notice it in his. This has like little tiny, I don't even know, even with perfect lighting, if I could show this. It has little tiny grid pattern. Let's see. Oh yeah, no, that just makes it worse. Whatever. Little tiny grid pattern in the weekly boxes. So, and I love writing on grid graph paper, so I like there's grids there. Okay. We're going to look at every month because this is my video and I can do that, and I want to see all these pictures of him. So, February, March. Remember, I was going to go Google how to be an apple? Still doing it. April. Oh. Sorry, you just have to deal with the sounds that I'm making because like I can't even say anything. I just can't. 2 p.m. 15th anniversary is coming up, September 4th. Okay, this is not a good picture. This is not good at all. It's like, oh god, no, this is not a good picture. So if I ever need to not be all in love with Junho, this is what I can come look at because that is a horrible picture. All right, let's keep going. Junho on a bike. This is not a horrible picture. This is like, can you see like his pants, like how they're, you can't really even see it, how they're like weird around his feet and like way too long. Ugh, that is not good. All right, good. Give us something to not look forward to. But here we are back with things to look forward to. Just look at him. All right. Okay, that was a diary. I don't even want to. Oh my god, you guys, the dust calendar. I'm telling you right now, if you even looked at it, it's going to work with me. And the photo book I might like actually die right here on this video. So just giving a preparation in advance. If I die, make sure my mom doesn't just throw away my K-pop collection because there's a lot of money invested in it. Okay. Let's do the calendar first. Okay. Again, probably just not going to say much other than make sounds because. All right. Anyhow, now you know. This is a desktop calendar. And here we go. I mentioned a little while ago that his hands are one of my favorite features because they're beautiful, and they are. Um, his nose freckle is my absolute favorite feature of him. And I love, 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 love that finally, it's unfortunate that he's, old enough or far enough in his career or whatever that they don't cover it with makeup the way that they used to. So you can see it a whole lot more now than you ever could before. And look, there's his little nose freckle. Just perfect. Let's just go back and look at this for a minute. There's that apple I'm going to learn how to be. Oh my goodness. Oh, sweet Jesus. I don't know how my life was before Junho became part of it, but I can tell you that it is so much better now that he is part of it. Look, I mean, nose freckle, beautiful hand, all in one. Oh, goodness. Oh, God. I just can't. Oh, my God. I just can't. I can't. Look at him. Okay. That's the end of the desk calendar. Almost the end of Heather. Almost the end of me. All right. Well, this video is lasting longer than I expected it or anticipated, but that's okay. I don't care because it's Junho. Am I going to be able to open this though? That's a question. Last year, I bought 2 copies of his Season's Greetings. Actually, 2 copies of Minjun's also. And I still have the second copy of both of theirs unopened. I probably should do something with them, sell them. But I bought 2 so that I could have like an extra in case I wanted to like take pictures out of the book or something. Anyhow, right now I'm sitting here like, why didn't I order 2 this year? If I can still get another one, I might. All right. Again, warning that I might die as we flip through here. Um, yep, chances are good. Look, he's admiring his hands too. Like, damn, how did I have such beautiful hands? That's what he's saying right there. Sorry, there's a little bit of glare, but oh man, my life is so much better knowing who Lee Junho is and having him be available to entertain me through music and television programs. He's, yeah. Mm. Well, if I can't find the instructions on how to become an apple, I can look to see how to become a chess piece. Oh, look at that. His expression is just perfect there. His photos are, I mean, I love this, but I'm just going to go ahead and say it. So much more care was taken with his photos than were with Minjun's. Like, it's blatantly obvious how much more care and time was put into Junho's than Minjun's. If you watch my other video where I flip through the photo book for Minjun's, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Makes me mad because Minjun deserves as much as Junho does. That being said, I'm really glad that Junho's are not like Minjun's, because I would be so pissed if like this picture was split over 2 pages, like completely without this white space. I did not buy, oh God. Um, I didn't get Wu Yang and Nikun there, so I don't know what their photo books look like. Maybe I'll find some videos to see how much care was taken with theirs. But is that it? Is that the last page? Okay. Oh man. Okay. All right. What's left is the photo cards. So let's go ahead and take a look at them. And then we'll be done. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay. All right. Well, that's the unboxing of Junho's 2023 season's greetings. Now I'm going to be on the hunt to see if I can get another copy of it. Yeah, but love this. Very happy with his. Very unhappy with Minjun's. Even more so unhappy with Minjun's now that I see how much better Junho's is, how much better the quality is. But I'm not going to complain about that. That's what the purpose of this video is. But Junho is, I mean, Junho's Junho. So thank you very much for watching this. If you sat through any of it, I appreciate it. And for listening to me just sigh and or in my silence because I couldn't react otherwise. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much.